Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to enable compact voice call mode in Line. Now let us begin. Initially what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top right next to the add friends icon, you can see a gear like button. Click on it right now. And as such, you will be redirected to the settings page. Well, from here, do note that you can simply search for the compact voice call mode, but I'm gonna show you guys how to go there. Simply scroll down till you see something called as calls. It is under the general tab. Simply click on calls right now. And this is it, guys. Once you are in the calls section, if you simply scroll down, you will see something like this. That is compact voice call mode. Do note that I have already enabled it for compact video call mode right here. Simply toggle on this button for voice call mode as well. And that is it, guys. That's how we enable compact voice call mode in Line. As you guys can see, the process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.